I'm Brian Johnson, and this episode of Better Cocktails at Home, we're making the White Spritz. This is an old cocktail from Italy. It's wine-based, and so with August coming up, it's really hot in the summer, and so I wanted to kind of do a couple of drinks that are like a little bit lower proof, wine-based cocktails. Something you can kind of sip on the patio or on the deck in the late afternoon before dinner. It's an aperitif, kind of prepare your stomach for dinner. And so I thought a white spritz, simple as it can be, would be a great place to start. And so a white spritz, the base is a white wine. I'm using a Soave wine. This is an Italian wine. And so we're going to use this. This will be 4 ounces of this. And so we're going to add that to our wine glass. I'm just going to build this in the glass. Makes it nice and easy. So there's our wine component. And then I added just a touch of simple syrup. I'm talking like a few drops, not a lot. Same with lemon juice. I like to add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm not talking much. I'm talking a few drops, just for that kind of essence, that flavor a little bit. Then at this point, I'm going to add my ice. And then to this, we add a sparkling component. All spritz have a sparkling component. Some use Prosecco. A lot use just like club soda. So I'm going to do about 2 ounces of club soda here. And that adds that kind of sparkling component. And then for a garnish, I'll just take a nice little half lemon wheel, drop it in the glass, and that's really how you prepare the white spritz. Super refreshing, just very kind of, I like to use white wines a little bit like kind of minerally. Definitely on the dry side of my personal preference. Again, some of the stuff you can adjust your personal taste. Really, it's an ideal drink for, before dinner, you have friends over, you open a bottle, you can make a bunch at once. It's super simple. I think kind of like the low ABV means you have a few of them and it's really not a big deal over the course of an evening. So it's a great drink. I think, kind of the white wine spritzer in the 80s really gave this kind of drink a really bad name. Whereas if you go to Italy and you make them in this style, it's a lovely drink, tastes really good. And I hope you spend a lot of evenings in August drinking white spritzes.